Maintaining the pristine condition of these expansive glass facades is a challenging task. Introducing the FCR, Facade Cleaning Robot, the first of its kind, designed to keep facades spotless. Our state-of-the-art control room ensures seamless operation of the FCR. The operator monitors the robot's activities through multiple screens and a portable device for real-time updates. With a simple command, the FCR begins its cleaning mission. Equipped with a revolutionary squeegee system, the FCR wipes and sucks away dirt, leaving the glass crystal clear. The FCR features a versatile scissor mechanism that extends its reach up to 700 mm, allowing it to clean under sunshades and external frames. A sophisticated weight balancer works simultaneously with the scissor mechanism, ensuring the robot remains perfectly balanced during operation. Advanced sensors and a precise navigation system ensure the FCR moves smoothly and efficiently. It is faster than normal cleaning, eliminates the risks resulting, and gives more privacy to the residents. It uses AI technology to create a digital map in order to move through it autonomously. The FCR completes its task, leaving the facade looking as good as new. The operator reviews the performance, ensuring the highest standards are met. FCR, a testament to our commitment to innovation and excellence. FCR, pioneering the future of facade maintenance.